All right, once again, welcome back to my channel, The Token Trackers. In my last video about the Sidra project, I show you how you can successfully claim your Sidra project, what you can do to the app, what you can do to your Sidra app to be claiming successfully each day. And since then, I have successfully been claiming too. And some people have still come to me that they are still finding it difficult to swap. So in this video, I'm going to be handling the swapping, how you can swap in the recently update that I should do in that particular video. So before we go into that, if you are new to my YouTube channel or if you have not yet subscribed to my YouTube channel, please kindly hit the subscription button. Also turn on the notification bell so that you always get notified whenever I upload new video. So for those who are still finding it difficult to claim their Sidra tokens, all you need to do, like I said, is to head over to, if you're using an Android phone or an Apple's phone, all you need to do is head over to your settings, and on your settings you need to head over to your apps management. You need to go to app list, and then you can just go and search for Sidra. So that's Sidra. So once you come over to it, just make sure you come over to storage and cache right here, and then you clear here, then you clear the storage, you clear the cache, and then you clear the storage. So once you do that, you automatically be logged out from all sessions on your app. You automatically be logged out. So what you need to do is go back and log in using your email. Once you log in, you are going to come over to the page like this, and all you need to do is to be coming here to be claiming your ST, which is the Sidra tokens right here. So you can see I've already claimed 24 right here so far, and this 24 is more than the 14. That 14 is an interval of 1 week, that's 7 days. So once you have claimed for 7 days, you will have the option to swap your tokens. So you might be asking, how can you swap? Now this is how you are going to go about it. It is not for you to just come over here. You can see swap here. If you just come here and click on it, you see that this is what you are going to see. Now in this page, you can swap Sidra to other tokens. You can swap SDA to other tokens or other tokens to SDA. That is what this page is all about. This is not about the ST tokens to SDA. So what I'm showing you is how to swap from ST, which is the Sidra token, to SDA, which is the Sidra digital asset, which is the main token that Sidra is going to list for us to trade with on exchanges. So how do you do that? You need to come over to the home section and then scroll down, and then once you scroll down, you can see wallet right here. So you are going to click on the wallet. So that is where you are going to come over here, and once you come over to this page, you can see the send, you can see the receive, see swap, and then you can see convert, and then you can see liquidity right here. So now the difference is this: with swap, you are swapping SDA to other tokens, or you are swapping the other tokens to the SDA. So what we are going to do is we want to move our ST tokens, which we are mining, to SDA, which is the Sidra tokens, like I've told you. So in that one in the app right now is called convert. So we are converting, not swapping. So you have to come over to convert right here, and then once you click right here, you can see that this is the token swap. So you convert your ST tokens to SDA. So that is the Sidra digital asset. So swap summary. So I have 24 ST tokens, and then I'm going to receive 23.9 SDA, which is the Sidra digital asset, and then the swap fee is going to be 0.1 ST, and then the processing time may take over to 24 hours, and they say face verification is required. Your face will be verified before the swap is processed. If verification fails, the swap will be cancelled. So we can go ahead and click on continue swap. See, by confirming you agree. So let's go ahead and click on it. So once you click on it, you can see they did not ask for it. You can see token swap request submitted successfully. So we have successfully done that. So which therefore means that the face verification has also been removed the same way it has been removed from the claiming. So there is no need for in my last video about that the claiming, I said it that it has been removed for both swapping and claiming. So you have seen it here. As I click on confirm swap, it did not the face verification did not pop up. So it has been removed for both swapping and claiming. So that is how you can go ahead and be swapping your token. So first of all, make sure that you have cleared the cache that I've shown you how to do it, and then come back, be claiming. Once it is once you have claimed for 7 days, you can go ahead and you follow the method I've shown you now to convert your SD tokens to your SDs. So that is the quick information I wanted to show you in this particular video. But before I go, if you are new into my YouTube channel, or if you have not yet subscribed to my YouTube channel, please kindly hit the subscription button. Also turn on the notification bell so that you always get notified whenever I upload new videos. So thank you so much. See you in my next video.